Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Ahmed Qusay, a PhD holder in artificial intelligence, specifically in machine learning. I am C Sharp certified from Microsoft, MCP, and SQL Server certified from Microsoft, also MCP. I have more than 15 years of experience in highly impact institutions teaching, doing a programming of AI models. Let me tell you about my course. It's audio classification using neural net, convolutional neural net. I believe actually the coming era of AI will be audio. So you can control the objects remotely. You don't need to be physically in the place of action. So this is one of the reasons I think it's good to publish such kind of courses. Also, I will not only teach you how to use the convolutional neural nets in audio. No, I will teach you how to deploy the model in Raspberry Pi 5 and how to use Raspberry Pi 5 to control the servo motor using your audio and deploying the model in Raspberry Pi 5 to make it like an active processor. So let me give you a brief introduction of the content of my course. Introduction, this is the video actually, is the introduction. Then in section 2, we're going to prepare audio file for machine learning use. The raw audio is not ready for machine learning. So we need phases or steps. As you see here, we have steps moving to prepare our audio to be ready for the neural net processing. These steps include define audio environment and audio keyword. Audio environment and audio keyword. The audio environment is the place where you're gonna uh, uh, prepare your model. In the car, this is called the environment. In the airport, in the airplane, in tank, in whatever, this is the environment. And the keyword is when you sit in the car and you said audio, engine start, and the engine start. This is called a keyword. Our keyword actually in this course is the word Ahmed, my first name. Then we're gonna recording the real environment, three environments. We're gonna record it really. Then we convert to WAV. Then we compose positive audio. Positive audio, it's the audio that containing the keyword, which is Ahmed. So when I say Ahmed, the processor will respond and move the servo motor, or the robot will move the arm, or the trigger of the machine gun will gonna start, whatever you name it, any kind of processing or activity you would like to do. Composing of positive audio, another file, and slicing. Actually, when you record an audio file, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it's cannot be fed to the neural net. So we need to slice it into clips, these clips of 3 seconds. All the Python code is included, more than 14 file of Python code is included in my course. Balancing the positive and negative. So you need to balance. You cannot put a lot of negative file clips, and you need to balance. Train, test, audio, data set. So you need to split. Actually, I provide you with two kind of different methods to creating your train test audio clips. The first one is only copy paste. There is no coding, no Python. The 12 and 13 here is the Python. So it's an optional. 12 and 13 here, you can not go for them if you don't like. So it's the 11 is more than enough. So this is the preparing. Section 2 is slightly long because all the time data science part taking like 60% or 65% of the effort. Then we're gonna move to the handling audio files. These audio clips need to be sort, then loaded using Librosa, spectrogram. What is the spectrogram? Finally, 5 stages audio processing. We're going to move for 5 stages to process our raw audio into ready audio to be fed to the neural net. After the section 3, which is handling audio file, we're going to go for labeling, our audio clips slicing and batching. These steps actually compulsory because if you feed the neural net with a clip, who said this clip is positive, who said this clip is negative? So this is called labeling. So you feed a clip and you tell the neural net when you train this is positive clip and it's negative and so on. So this is how, and all the Python code is available. Also, we're gonna dive through the convolutional neural network, our tool, our AI tool, and all these stages is necessary. Finally, we're gonna save as an H5. This H5 model, we're gonna copy it and deploy it on the Raspberry Pi to make the processor acting and doing a hardware action like a robot, similar to robot when you say the keyword. Then we're gonna dive through assembling a Raspberry Pi from the scratch. So Raspberry Pi, actually, I'm gonna assemble it from scratch, installing operating system, installing all the libraries required for the Raspberry Pi and audio usage. Finally, we're gonna deploy and run and test our model, all the code and the real time recording, and hopefully you will be make benefit of my course, and I will be delighted if you join my course. And when you can take the knowledge of deploying AI model with me, you can do any kind of AI model in the future and deploy it on Raspberry Pi. Thank you.